questions now. Do not get them wrong. There is no alternative to getting the easy questions right. If you get an easy question wrong, you have to compensate it by getting a difficult question right. So those 30 to 35 questions which are manageable, they are non-negotiable. You have to get them right. And if you are making silly mistakes over there, then you are asking UPSC कि please किसी और को ये chance दे दीजिए, मुझे मत दीजिए. तो those 30 questions, 30 to 35 questions which are directly there, be very serious about it. Solve the easy questions with more focus. Easy questions गलत नहीं होने हैं. And that's what I learned from my 2 attempts, that how can I make a silly mistake over here, that I felt it should be this. हाँ ये तो पढ़ा है तो हम जल्दी में कर देते हैं कि this I know. For example, there was a question on ACE2 and I felt, oh my god, this has been so much in the news. I read the first option and I should have read all the options. So we get more excited with the easy questions. Be very calm over there. Coming to difficult questions, they are difficult for everyone. Okay, so please put up that fight. Like I said, that 3 words are given, we have no idea. But keep fighting till the last word of the last option. एंड तक फाइट मारे कि हाँ मैंने पूरा क्वेश्चन पढ़ा और मुझे सचमुच नहीं आता है, आई हैव नो आइडिया. बट जितना आता है उतना फाइट जरूर मारे. यू हैव टू बी इन दैट स्पिरिट ओवर दैट येस आई हैव कम हियर टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. Last part about prelims, I would say that I wrote on my question paper in my 3rd attempt that this paper 1 is also a CSAT paper. It requires your logical reasoning, it requires your mind to be in an analytical mode, and it requires you to derive information कि नहीं वो ऐसा होता था तो ये ऐसा होगा. Something, those calculations have to be there. So the way we are attentive in a CSAT paper, you have to be extremely attentive in the first paper. You might not know certain things, but you have to be in that problem solving mode, that however much I know, I am going to try to attempt. I know there are some basic questions about how much I attempt and in how much time I finish the paper. So I attempted approximately 90 questions in all 3 attempts. Sometimes in my 3rd attempt it was 94, in my 2nd attempt it was 86, but roughly around this range. I know the strategy can be very different for different people. Some people have a very high level of accuracy. I have some friends who have cleared the exam with much less number of attempts. But I am just sharing my own experience. मुझे लगता था कि मुझे तो 90 करने पड़ेंगे अटेम्प्ट, एंड आई वॉज सॉर्ट ऑफ इन दैट फाइटिंग मोड कि देखो बाहर तो ऐसे भी होना है और नहीं अटेम्प्ट करूँगी तो वैसे ही बाहर हो जाऊँगी, और अटेम्प्ट करके गलत होगा तो ठीक है, एटलीस्ट आई पुट अप अ फाइट. सो आई हैड दैट एटीट्यूड. Please find what kind of a strategy will be beneficial for you. So I felt in my 3rd attempt that yes, 3 saal I have studied. I have sufficient 2nd level knowledge to solve the 1st level questions. I might not know directly where this is coming from, but I'm going to trust myself and my intuition about, because I might have read it somewhere, because this journey has been so long. I might have read it somewhere and I decided that I'm going to trust myself, and that worked for me. So with experience comes maturity. Don't play with the strategy in your very first attempt. Be very careful. If you feel you have read enough, then trust yourself. If you feel your knowledge is not enough, then take a step back and then analyze if you really want to attempt. So my strategy was this: roughly 90 questions I'm going to attempt, and above 60 I have to get right if I want to clear.